Hey guys, this video will be a bit different because Oppo sent me a gamer's starter pack, which includes the Oppo A9 2020 smartphone and several gaming accessories from Rockspace Philippines. Now we will start with the Oppo A9 2020 for this video, and then we will use that later for the gaming accessories in the second video. Let's go ahead and unbox the Oppo A9 2020. Here's the box of the smartphone. We have its four main features printed at the back. These are the 48 megapixel quad camera, 5000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 665 chipset, and dual speakers with Dolby Atmos. Upon opening the box, there's a transparent jelly case and the SIM ejector pin. It's great that Oppo includes a free phone case so that you can protect your new smartphone right from the start. Then we have the actual Oppo A9 2020 smartphone here. Let's remove this and take a look at the marine green color variant of the phone. We'll take a closer look at the phone later, but for now, let's check what's left in the box. Okay, so we have a charger with a maximum power output of 5 volts at 2 amperes or 10 watts of charging power. There's also a USB Type-C cable and some basic earphones. That's all there is inside the Oppo A9 2020 box. It's a pretty standard package with the smartphone itself, free earphones, and free phone case. Now let's move on to a hands-on with the Oppo A9 2020. While setting up the phone, it asked me to enable face recognition and the fingerprint scanner at the back. The phone's back has a somewhat blue-green color with a gradient that goes deeper at the center. 3 of its cameras are lined up at the center while a 4th camera is located just below the LED flash. I like the phone's symmetrical design, including the design for the A series branding. Its power button is located at the right side and has a bright green accent color. At the bottom, we have the loudspeaker, USB Type-C port, and 3.5mm audio jack. On the left side are the volume buttons and SIM card tray. This is a triple card tray with 2 slots for nano SIM cards and 1 slot for a micro SD card. There's nothing at the top though. The phone screen is 6.5 inches with a small notch at the center. It's slightly taller than other phones since it has a 20:9 aspect ratio. It comes with some pre-installed apps, which includes the Google Apps, Theme Store, App Market, Music Party, Facebook, Lazada, Opera, and these other apps that I'm not familiar with. Thankfully, these can be easily uninstalled. Now let's check more details about this smartphone. So it's running on Android 9 Pie with ColorOS version 6.0.1, Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage with 104GB of that available out of the box. Let's check the Oppo A9 2020's camera. I have here an Apple to quickly test its camera quality. This picture was shot in normal mode and you can see some fine details. Its colors look natural and the camera's natural depth of field produces a slightly blurred background, allowing the subject to pop. Here's another sample picture with the ultra-wide feature turned on. It captured a wider scene, which is very useful when shooting beautiful landscapes or when you want to capture a picture in a tight space. Let's also take sample selfies. This one has the AI Beauty feature turned on, and here's another selfie with the feature turned off. I like the second picture more, but it's my personal preference. I can't test the Oppo A9 2020's battery life yet, but listen to this.
Once stood an enchanted forest.
You see an enchanted forest?
Yes, it was a magical place. But something went wrong. Since then, no one can get in or out.
Papa, that was epic.
This is one of the best sounding smartphone loudspeaker that I've tested so far. It also produces stereo sound since the earpiece serves as the stereo pair. That's it for the OPPO A9 2020 unboxing. I'll be testing it further for the full review and gaming review. Now let's use it to test the gaming accessories from Rockspace Philippines. Don't forget to subscribe to Pinoy Techno Guide before or after watching the second video.